So in this Visme tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to mute a video here on Visme. So once you're into the Visme application, what I want you to do is go to the video or media tab, I guess, on the left hand side of your screen to add a video into your design. So simply just press on the media button right here, then go to the top and press on videos, or you can also embed a video or do whatever you have to do. But we're going to go ahead and press on videos right here. Now we're going to go ahead and just press on some stock videos right here. So if I want to do perhaps of cars, we'll just simply search up cars right here and then press on enter. We're going to find some results for cars. So let's just say you have a bunch of cars, in a video right here. So let's just say this one right here has a bunch of cars, driving on what it looks like to be like a busy road. And if there was video or if there was audio to this video, if you were to go ahead and play it, it would play. But I'm going to go ahead and press on the video right here. Then go to the top left of where it says settings right here, right beside trim, press on settings. Then at this bottom option right here, sorry, the second option from the top, it says muted. And muted is currently turned on. So if this was turned off for whatever reason, and you were to go ahead and play the video, the music or the video audio would be turned on. But if you wanted to go ahead and mute the video to make it quiet, just press on this muted button right here, make sure that it's highlighted, and boom, there you go. Pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can mute a video here on Visme. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.